Okay, the first thing that was missed in number 7, which is cross-referencing, you were to cross-reference figure 3 and figure 6. It looks like you did figure 3, but let's see if the reference is right. So in figure 3, links, cross-reference, and be sure it says figure, and it should be figure 3. And it should be only label and number, and insert, and close. Be sure there's a period at the end as well. Okay, then go down and do the same for 6 to be sure it's right. Shown in figure 6, you do have a period after that one. So figure 6, and insert links, cross-reference. It's to figure, and it should be only label and number, and figure 6, insert, and close. And yes, I did do that twice, so take one out. Okay, and that fixes that one. Okay, the list of figures have page numbers that are wrong, but I think we can, once we fix this and update this field, then that one will be taken care of. So we'll move on to the section breaks, which are very important. So I'm going to compare it to the document that it should look like. So there's a next page section break at the end of the title page. That is correct. And then at the end of the contents page, there is a page break because you don't want the list of figures to be in a different section. And so list of figures. Has a page break, and it also should have a section break there. So we're going to go to layout and we'll do breaks, and it should be a continuous section break so that it doesn't do a new page. Okay, executive summary, company history, then description and background on the next page, and then the 2 charts and market analysis, and no breaks. Those were all removed. You did that right. And income forecast, then the 2 charts and a page break, and then your index with a continuous section break and a continuous section break at the end. Okay, so just that one that needed to be removed there, which is why it was only -3. Okay, then the next one is 12, insert a header. Okay, so let's look at the header. You did insert one, but the page numbers were wrong, so something may be wrong there. Okay, the first page is no header, that's correct. The next page, this is actually supposed to be formatted as I. So we go to page number and format, and it should be the small letters I, and it should start at I. And then we go down, and here on this one, this should not be linked to the previous section, so turn that off and then format it to start with 1. Okay, and then we're going to move to the last one. Close the header and footer. And in the, let's start with the index. Click in the index field, right click it, and update the field. And then go up to list of figures, click in the field, right click, and update the field. And it's a table, so we update the entire table. And then do the same thing with contents, right click, update field, and update entire table. And then that should fix everything.